Block, formerly known as Square, had a meteoric rise in its stock price from the beginning of 2020, but one thing led to another, and from August 2021 to today, the stock is down around 75%. The last nail in the coffin was when Hindenburg Research accused Block of inflating the numbers of users on Cash App. But how true is this claim? Should you stay away from the stock, or could this be a really good time to invest in Block? Well, one investment bank thinks so and has put a buy rating on Block, and its price objective is almost 4% higher than the current stock price. But first, what is Block's business model and what is Cash App? Block is a multinational technology company founded by Jack Dorsey, who also created Twitter. The business consists of 5 segments. It's Cash App, it's Square, it's Tidal, it's Weebly, and it's Afterpay. On this video, we will focus on the 2 first segments because they are the biggest ones by quite a large margin. So Square is a payment service for small to medium-sized businesses. The vision of Square is to make it easy for customers to buy from small businesses. You might have seen some products now showing on the screen. These are some of the different hardware products Square sells to small businesses. The other big segment is Cash App. Cash App is Block's flagship product. It's a payment service that allows people to transfer money to one another, and it also allows people to buy stocks and crypto. It's an all-in-one payment service, you can say. And this is the service that is under scrutiny right now. So Hindenburg Research, a short seller, accused Block of inflating the number of users on its Cash App, saying that Block lied to investors for years. This follows a report by Hindenburg Research, which revealed that former Block employees said that from 40 to 75% of customers are either fake or involved in fraud. Hindenburg Research alleged in the report that Block has lied about the number of users, and they have done this, and by doing this, understating the costs associated with getting new customers. And this is why they took a short position. What is good to know is that Hindenburg, of course, wants to paint the situation as bad as humanly possible because they're shorting the stock. But still, if true, this would be detrimental to Block because their cost of acquiring new customers would be a lot higher than previously thought. This hits especially hard on a company like Block that is a growth company that is trying to expand and get more customers and expanding their operations to new countries. Block is by all means a growth stock, so if their flagship product would have these hidden costs to them, it would be quite alarming. Fortunately, Block reported on Thursday that 44 million of its 51 million users were verified through its identity program as of December 31st. So Hindenburg's accusation of Block with these sort of inflated numbers has been proven false. Sorta. There are still 7 million users that haven't been verified yet. So there still might be some truth to Hindenburg's claim of inflated numbers, but not close to the rate they said. This hasn't made Bank of America afraid of the stock, as they have put a buy price that is 40% over today's price. Equity analyst Kupferberg had this to say about the stock in an interview. Shares underperformed in 2020 due to macro concerns, but we believe the stock is not being given enough credit for the general resilience the business has shown to date, as well as its operational expenditure discipline. Continuing saying, Block's lack of legacy tech overhang, seen at some other payment companies, should make it easier to own. We believe that fundamentals and valuation suggests ample upside from here. A quick glance at their income statements will show you how much the company has grown since its IPO. From 2016 to 2022, the revenue of the business 10x'd. But with that said, the company hasn't gone profitable yet, so there still might be uncertainty there. I personally think I can find a stock with more certainty than this one, even though it is an interesting stock. Hope you found value in today's video and subscribe for more content.